I'm not saying this is the first video on YouTube about mixing baking soda and vinegar to blow up a balloon. You can find a lot of those. But I'm still making one because I have something to say. 3/4 cup vinegar, baking soda. We're going to take a tablespoon of it, put the baking soda in the balloon, flip the balloon over the vinegar, and see what happens. Let's start with the blue balloon. We're going to use a little food coloring so we can see better what's happening in there. And I have a funnel. I 3D printed this funnel because I'm special. And education.com recommends the 3/4 cup vinegar to 1 tablespoon of baking soda. So let's follow education.com and their recipe. Knock it in there. Word has it that when you mix baking soda and vinegar, they react together and they make a few byproducts. A few products. One is sodium acetate, which is a salt. Another is water. And another is carbon dioxide, which is a gas. We're going to be focusing on the carbon dioxide, which is a gas. Because that's what's blowing up the balloon. Let's see how big we can get that. So that's reacting quite a bit. That's a decent sized balloon. That's bigger than I thought it would get. But it's still kind of a dinky balloon. Don't you think? Like if you hand this balloon to a kid, do you think they're going to be happy? This is filled with carbon dioxide gas, which is interesting. Okay, let's go to our next balloon and up the ante to twice the proportions. So let's do 1.5 cups of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of baking soda, because we'll see if we can get the balloon bigger. It already popped in my face. You'd think I'd be satisfied with that. Okay, let's do the yellow. The vinegar itself is a little yellow because I mixed in a little rice vinegar, which is about the same acidity as the white vinegar. Okay, yellow balloon. This is crazy. I don't even know if we should do 2 tablespoons of baking soda. I feel we should just do 1, or else the balloon could pop on us. But what the heck? We're wearing eye protection. Should probably wear hearing protection. Oh. A little jam in the funnel. There we go. I don't know what's going to happen. I've never tried this before. Ready? See if we can get a balloon that would make a kid happy. twice the education.com recipe. Swirl it. It's still reacting. I really don't want this to pop. Now this is a decent sized balloon. You could give this to a kid and they'd be happy with this as at a birthday party or something. You can still hear it bubbling. Carbon dioxide is making its way out of the bottle. That's decent. That is, we can't compare it to the first one because it popped in my face, but this is a decent sized balloon, and I don't feel the need to continue.